Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I just want to make a quick video and talk to you about the investments I have made during the COVID-19 pandemic. But before we start, just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so all the decisions you make, even if they're based on my video, you and only you are solely responsible for them. So let's get into it. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit the market, I was looking at all the industries and I tried to figure out what industries would hurt the most out of it but still be able to recover. So I was looking at the hospitality services, I was looking at the cruise lines, I was looking at the airlines, and I was looking at the restaurants and hotels. But what I decided to invest in were cruise lines and airlines. First, I bought some cruise lines. I bought, as you can see, Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and Norwegian Cruise Lines. I sold them I think 2-3 months ago. I made around 50 to 80% on them, which was great, but I just felt like if the corona stays here a little longer, and it seems like it will, this wasn't such a good investment, so I sold it. The second thing I bought was the airlines. So as you can see, I bought the Lufthansa. On that one I'm making 31% right now. Next one was the United Airlines, which is probably the best one right now for me. I'm making over 100% on it. I bought it at 20, right now it's at 43. Next one was American Airlines. I'm making around 54% on it. Bought it at 10, right now it's at 15. Next one I bought Delta Airlines, 60% up. Bought it for 25, right now it's at 40. Southwest Airlines, bought it at 12 and Southwest Airlines bought it at 23, right now it's at 46, making 97% on it, which is the second best one for me right now. And then I bought a Hawaiian Airline. I bought that one for $12 and right now it's at 19, making 67% on it. As it is right now, I'm still holding the airlines. I believe that they still didn't reach their potential, and they still have a room to move up. I'll probably sell it once it hits where it was before Corona hit. So right now, if you would like to invest in it but you are not sure what to pick, I would most likely go for US Global Jet ETF. It focuses on US airlines. You can look at it. It focuses on US airlines and international airlines. Before Corona hit, it was at $31 a share. Corona hit, it was at 12. That was the bottom. Right now it's at 22. If the airlines go back up where they were before, you are still making nice 30% on it. So let me know what you think about it, and I will see you soon.